Looking for relief from lower back tension? Check out these helpful tips on how to crack your lower back. 1. Try gentle stretching exercises, such as the cat-camel stretch or knee-to-chest stretch, to help relieve tension and crack your lower back. 2. Consider using a foam roller or massage ball to target and release tight muscles in your lower back, which may help alleviate discomfort and allow for cracking. 3. If you're experiencing persistent or severe lower back pain, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or chiropractor who can provide appropriate guidance and treatment options.